So to solve this, first of all, we have roots plus roots is equal to 3. So our first goal should be to eliminate the roots completely. In order to do this, we have to say, let's square this side and square this side. Okay? Now, to make it faster, we can just say 4 minus x square root is equal to 3 minus root of x plus 1. You'll see why we're doing this in a second. Now, squaring this side now eliminates the square roots here. So we have 4 minus x. Squaring this side becomes 3 squared minus root of x plus 1 squared is x plus 1. Okay, but then this sign changes to plus. Then we have minus 3 times 2 is 6 into root of x plus 1. Now we have 4 minus x to be equal to 9 plus x plus 1 minus 6 into root of x plus 1. Moving on, we can move everything to this side. So we are left with 4 minus 9 minus x minus 1 is equal to minus 6 times root of x minus x plus 1 rather. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus minus 1 is minus 6 minus 2x to be equal to 6 times root of x plus 1. Dividing both sides by minus 6, so we have this place over minus 6 and minus 6 strikes out here. So that we are going to have 6 plus 2x all over 6 to be equal to root of x plus 1. From here we can square both sides. Okay, so squaring both sides here, we're going to have 6 squared to be 36. 6 plus 2x, or is the power 2, is equal to root of x minus 1 x plus 1 squared is x plus 1. Okay, multiplying both sides by 36, we now have 6 plus 2x all squared is equal to 36x plus 36. 6 squared is 36, okay, plus 2x squared is 4x squared plus 2 times 2 is 4 times 6 is 24, that's 24x is equal to 36x plus 36. 36 strikes out on both sides, so we have 4x squared plus 24x to be equal to 36. 4x squared plus 24x minus 36x to be equal to 0. We have 4x squared minus 12x to be equal to 0. We have 4x into x minus 3 to be equal to 0. We have when the product of two things are equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. Hence, taking the valid answer, we take only x is equal to 3. Hence, x is equal to 3.